Okay, this video is on the angle addition postulate. This is very similar to the segment addition postulate, but instead of adding segments, I'm adding the angles, okay? So what this says is the following. A little angle, ABD, plus the other little angle, DBC, is equal to the biggest angle of them all, okay? Best way to understand this postulate is by doing some problems. So let me try problem number one. If NDE is 70, NDE, NDE, so this right here measures 70 degrees. And measurement of angle CDN, CDN, this angle right here, this angle be 11x minus 9. And measurement of angle CDE, CDE, this is the big angle, all of it. And that'll be 16x plus 6. This will be 16x plus 16. Now let me put this in the right place. That'll be this right here. Okay, so what I'm gonna write the following. The measurement of one of the little angles. So let's call it ED, NDE. NDE or EDN is the same angle, plus the measurement of the other little angle. The other little angle is NDC or CDN. Angle NDC is equal to the measurement of the biggest angle of them all. The biggest angle is CDE or EDN. So let me write CDE. So what I'm saying, the little angles added together is equal to the biggest angle of them all. Now, let's do substitution. What is the measure of angle NDE? Angle NDE is 70, so this will be 70 degrees. Plus the measure of angle NDC. NDC is, this angle is 11x minus 9. And that's equal to the angle CDE. CDE will be CDE will be this right here, and that'll be 16x plus 6 plus 16. I'm sorry. Now, step number one, get rid of parentheses, fractions, or decimals. We have none of them. Number two is combine like terms. On the left side, these are like terms because they're just numbers. So 70 minus 9 will be 61. This cannot be combined with anyone else on the left because there's no other x on the left side. Right hand side, and these are not alike. They cannot be combined. So the answer will be 16x plus 16. Step number three, separate variables and constants. Variables means letters. The letters on both sides. When that happens, you pick a side, right or left, does not matter. Let me put variable on the left and constant on the right. Variable means letters. I would like for both of these to have a letter. He does not have a letter, so get rid of it. The opposite will be negative 61. Now, what you do to one side, you must do it to the other side. Put it with the other number. These are opposites. They cancel, which means they give you 0. Okay? 61 minus 61 is equal to 0. Variable means letters. This is a letter. Constant means numbers only. I would like for these three to be numbers only. That's not numbers only, so get rid of it. The opposite will be negative 16x weighted to one side. These will cancel, which means they'll give you 0. So the answer will be 11 minus 16x will be negative 5x. is equal to 16 minus 61. That'll be, okay, can I, because this number is larger, is this minus that. I can't take 6 away from 1, so let's borrow, make that a 5, and make this an 11. 11 minus 6 will give you 5, and 5 minus 1 will give you 4. And because the negative is larger, that'll be negative 45. Now, get the letter by itself, we always divide by negative 5. That allows you to cancel the negative 5. And when you do it to one side, you do it to the other. That give you the x is equal to, cancel the negatives, and 45 divided by 5 will give you 9. And the answer is 9. The x is 9. So as you can see, this is very similar to the segment addition, but now we're doing angles. Okay. Next example, they give us the following problem. If the measurement of angle PQC is 7x minus 2, PQC, so this angle right here will be 7x minus 2. Measurement of PQR is 11x plus 17. PQR, so I know that this angle, the big angle, is 11x plus 17, and CQR is 63. So this right here will be 63. Now do this angle addition postulate. That means if you add the little angles, should be equal to the biggest angle of them all. One of the small angles, measurement of one of the small angles will be PQC, measurement of that angle, plus the measurement of the other small angle, CQR, the measurement of the angle, CQR, and the biggest angle is PQR, the measurement of the angle PQR. Now plugging the values, measurement of PQC is this angle, so that is 7x minus 2. The measurement of angle CQR is 63. And that's equal to the measurement of the angle PQR. PQR is 11x plus 17. Now from this point on, get the letter by itself. Step number 1, eliminate parentheses, fractions, or decimals. We have none of them. Number 2, combine like terms. On the left, I can combine these two because they're like, okay. So what is 63 minus 2? That'll be 61. This cannot be combined because there's no other x's on the left side. So that will stay the same as 7x. Right hand side, nothing can be combined because they're different. So the answer will be 11x plus 17 cannot be combined. Now step number 3, separate variables and constants. Variables means letters. The letters on both sides, pick one. Let me change a little bit. I'm gonna pick the right hand side, does not matter. And the other side is, I would like to have constants. Constants means numbers only. I would like for this and this to be numbers only. That's not numbers only, so get rid of it. To the opposite will be negative 7x. You do it to one side, you must do it to the other side. And these will cancel because they're opposites. Constants, constant. Variable means letters. I would like for all three of these to have a letter. 17 does not have a letter, get rid of it. minus 17, and we do to one side, you must do it to the other. These will cancel. So the answer will be 11 minus 7 will give you 4x. Now 61 minus 17, 1 minus 7, you can't do that, so borrow. Make this a 5 and make this an 11. 11 minus 7 will give you 4, and 1, 5 minus 1 will give you 4. Now get the letter by itself, divide by 4, and we do to one side, you do it to the other. These will cancel. So the answer will be x is equal to 44 divided by 4 will give you 11. And that is the answer. Okay, now you should go to the homework. Thank you.